it's Anissa. Today I have for you this desktop surge protector. Now this is made by the good people at Woods who are known for their quality surge protectors. Now I love this one because it does so much. First of all, it's nice and compact, so it's not going to take up a lot of space. This sits on top of your desk so you don't have to climb under to plug something in. But take a look at it. It's got two grounded outlets that are surge protected, which means you can plug in your laptop, small appliances, expensive electronics, and you don't have to worry about power surges. It's going to keep them protected. But besides that, you've got 3 high-speed USB ports on the top, so you can charge your phone, iPad, really anything that uses a USB port. But what I really love is what looks like an ordinary phone stand is actually a wireless charger. So you can charge your phone without tying up any other outlets. Now, a couple other things to note is it's got this extra long 5-foot cord, so you can plug this in almost anywhere. And it comes with this little 2-way sticky tape, so if you want to mount this for a little more permanent solution, you can. But it will stay in place because it has this rubber feet at the bottom. Now I mentioned I love this because it sits on top of a surface, so it's great for a bedroom end table, a kitchen countertop, obviously any desk, and it's great for dorm rooms. But what's the best part of all is our super low price. So head on over to the site and pick up a couple of these before we sell out.